How to make money online in 2025. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you what was the best and possible ways to make money online in 2025. So the first best way was to do freelancing. For that you need to learn some skills, and once you learn like video editing, it can be any skill. Like you have plenty of skills online, you guys can learn from YouTube or other social media accounts. Once you learn skill, after that you guys will go to Fiverr or Upwork. On Fiverr, you will simply make account, and after that you guys can offer your service to people where verified buyers will come and purchase from you. The second method was to sell digital products online. So for digital products selling, you guys will simply create your digital product. It can be course, it can be digital product like PDF file or anything. And for selling that products, you guys will simply go to Google Chrome. Here, search for Payhip. And if you have PayPal or Stripe, the best option was Payhip. And if you don't have PayPal or Stripe, you guys can use gumroot.com. Basically, that websites and that so basically Gumroot and Payhip offers digital products selling option where you guys can create account and you guys can sell your digital products. Thanks for watching.